The money we spend on dirt, you could buy vegetables all year long and not spend that much money. Seriously? Something real seriously. Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning! Tommy's here. Just got here. I thought he's coming tomorrow, yesterday. But he called me, that's what you told me last night. I'm not coming home, hon. I will see you tomorrow, hon. And then 6:30 he show up. And then he woke me up. Well, the dog actually. Pinakain na namin yung aso. Who eat the dindin? Somebody eat dindin.
Missy eats her dindin, Missy gets a bone.
Why, Roxy did?
No, she didn't.
Roxy, did you eat your dindin? She did, honey, oh.
She looked at it, she sniffed it and walked away from it.
Look, oh, she ate some.
Hon? Stop babying her.
Roxy, come here. Eat your dindin. Give it to Misty, honey. Honey?
Your bone. Eat your dindin.
You eat your dindin, Roxy. No?
Eat your dindin.
Eat your dindin first. Look her.
Dindin first.
Go eat your dindin first.
More.
Eat more. Eat more.
One piece. Come on.
Go eat more. Go eat more. Don't come to me. Go eat more. Dad. Go eat more. Go eat more. Go eat your dindin.
You're going to get Missy's bone because Missy's being an idiot.
Okay, okay. Show your bone, hon.
Raj. Eat your dindin. You get your own bone. Eat your dindin. Dindin first. Dindin. Eat your dindin. Dindin first.
She's...
Dindin first. Dindin.
Dindin. Don't give it yet, honey. Eat dindin. Eat dindin. Get it, honey. And now he knows. Now he know you're playing. Eat dindin first. Dindin first. Don't move, hon.
Good girl. Good girl.
Good girl, Rox. That's a good girl. Good girl. Look, she understand, hon. She just like being a hardhead.
Of course I understand.
You ate yours, Mister. You still have your bones. Come here. Eat your bonesy. Right here, meat. Eat your bunsy meat. Tumaas na si Pichay and ready to Pichoy.
Certainly could be a motive. Could we look at this private gym?
He was right there.
It's almost 12 o'clock na ng hapon. Natulog kami ni Tammy balik doon dito sa living room. Nagtingin kami ng monk tumin. And ito guys, ilabas ko sana ito pero maginaw sa labas. And also yung mga pinaplant ko doon sa labas is I don't know kung mabubuhay sila. I don't really know. 40 degrees sa labas. Pero mamayang gabi guys, maginaw. Aalis kami, mag-add ako ng garden bed. Mag-add kami ni Tammy. And kailangan kong bumili ng additional soil. What are you doing here, baby? Measure the what?
I took the box out of the trunk. I took that box out of the trunk.
Okay. So, meron naman akong gas, guys. Ay, gas mask. And then, let's see kung meron kaming gloves. Yeah, meron ding gloves. So, yun. Tingin. So, this is... He's hitting the car. Add kami, guys. Kasi, and then, bumili din ako ng sprinkler. Yan. Ito yung mask na suot ko. Ito yung sa kanya. Hindi meron kang gloves.
Drops, huh? What?
Anyway guys, tapos na kami dito. And sumakit ulo ko nito eh. Tommy, the cashier told Tommy to step back because he is like no distance whatsoever. He just want to be close.
Yeah. Help him get the stuff.
Okay, let's go. We're done. We got 8 bags of what is this?
Dirt. Dirt. We got dirt.
We bought dirt. That's it. Because you want litos, this is what you're going to do for me.
Guys, here's the deal. The money we spend on dirt, you could buy vegetables all year long and not spend that much money.
Yeah, but you're not buying every year dirt because you have dirt already there. Okay guys, bye-bye.
It doesn't matter whether the vegetables actually grow.
Because now he is like complaining now.
I don't
Okay, bye-bye
complain.
now. Hello. Don't bring your shoes in, ha? So yan, ano lang yung binili namin guys. Ano yung binili namin, ha? Tatlo sana yung bibilhin namin na so yung sowel ka. So sabi ko, dagdagan mo. So 8 yung kinuha niya. 8 pieces of. You are something else, Tommy.
Okay. That's all right. Hold out a piece of food and say, oh, sorry, I'm not going to give this to you because I'll make a mess on the floor. Then see if she walks away and say, oh, okay. Foolish of you.
I'm foolish. Foolish heart, hear me calling. Foolish heart, hear me crying. Tommy Moy. I don't know if that's the lyrics. Tommy Moy. I think there is Tommy Moy in there.
I don't think so.
I think there is. That's how I get the Tommy Moy is. And then your name is Tommy and I get the Tommy Moy part. What?
I'm figuring you just made it up, actually.
No. Okay, I'm thinking what we're gonna eat for dinner. Meat-wise, we have to think. I have to look. Do you want the tilapia, Han? Tilapia is good, Han. Do you want? Look what he's doing, guys, with his thing, guys. What is it?
Tuna fish.
Tuna fishy. He told me, Han, I'm dying. I can't breathe. I'm hungry. He just told me that in the car. He really is hungry. Look at him. I don't believe. I thought he's making fun of me.
Now tell me why I said that.
No, because you really are hungry.
No, I can't breathe. No strength, but oh yeah.
You get it from the movie?
Yeah, I can.
Pasensya na guys, balik-balik itong damit natin ha. Napansin nyo ba? Dalawa ito guys, iba't iba. I think ito is a Dalmatian dog. And yung isa is pabalik. Gustong-gusto ko, alam nyo kasi, look. Ang laki at saka sobrang ganda ng material. Kay biyanan po ito kasi, yeah. Tignan natin kung okay pa ba itong old cabbage. And then, onion. Magmunggo tayo. Kunti lang yung munggo at saka cabbage yung lang kasi yun lang yung andito ako. Meron ako dito. I think meron akong open dito. Open siya. Kunti lang yung lutuin natin. And meron akong coconut milk. Maaga pa. Mamaya na lang. Madali lang naman ito lutuin eh. Magpabuka lang ako nito. Lutuin ko lang siya. Ibuwi lang natin siya. And then, meron ng bagong ugat. Look. Yung bagong ugat. Nakikita niyo puti. Ipakita ko sa inyo yung grips. Yung grips ko, hindi pa siya na-transfer talaga. At saka, hindi pa ko ready mag-transfer. Maginaw sa labas. Nakita din tumaas siya, guys. And then dito, may tumubo na naman. Dito. Kami lang naman itanin siya. Sabi pa ni Tommy, bakit? Anong ginawa mo sa ginger na binili ko para sa'yo? Ba't nilagyan? Sabi ko, ano yan? Uy, para tutubo yung ginger. Almost 3 o'clock pero maaga ako kasi Para mamaya wala na masyadong ganap. Tilapia. Kasi sabi ko kay Tommy, masarap talaga yung tilapia. So, yun, the first tayo ng tilapia. Dalawa. So, ngayon, mag-isa tayo ng ginger at onion. Hala, bakit? Akala ko uwi. Inibigay siya. Oh my God, kuha ka lang ng kuha. Akala mo na doon si Tami. Hindi ba pala yung posisyon? Kaya pala kapag mag-pour ako ng kapag magtuwad, ito pala siya, nasira pala. Ginger. And then onion. Dire-diretso na yan. Ayan. Alam nyo guys, isabay ko na rin ito para maluto talaga siya. Ang dami nito. Para cabbage kasi yan. Hindi yan talagang dahon na dahon. Yun. May tubig naman yan. So, okay lang. And then, lagyan natin ng gata. I never try gata with cabbage. Never. Never. Ooh. Masarap ito lagyan ng dilis. Meron pa ako konting dilis niyan. Diyan. Anyway, so, itong si Tami guys, palagi na lang itong kausap, itong kapitbahay ng babae. Kapitbahay ng babae. Palagi niyang kausap. Doon si Tami. Akala ko may tinatrabaho sa garage. Ngayon, doon na nakita ko na sa harapan ng bahay namin, sa gilid doon, kausap yung babae. Ay nako. Ang sakit. Hindi guys, okay lang yan guys. Pero bakit ba? Bakit ba palagi mo yung kausapin? Yun yung babae na binilhan niya ng asawa yan ng asawa yan ng kapitbahay namin. Yun yung binilhan niya ng beer na kakaibang pangalan kasi nag-usap daw sila. Yun daw yung gusto. Tanungin natin yan mamaya. Kausap na naman niya dun. Noon dito na side. Ngayon doon na sa gilid, sa harapan ng bahay, sa magilid na area. Ano yan? Kasi bland siya. Gusto mo siya? O sige, doon ka na dong. Pabayaan kita talaga dong. Wala na akong pakialam dong. Alam mo noon guys, ako yung parang magwala. Iba ako noon guys, as in iba. And for example, pag nakita ko siya na may babae na kausap or something, at palagi na lang ganon, lalabas ako at sisigaw, tawagin, na ganon ako guys. As in, yun yung personality ko guys. Yan yan. So ngayon, iba na. kung gusto niya, palagi ko siya sinasabihan, kung may gusto kong babae, sabihin mo. Kasi bahala masakit, hindi kita hawakan. Kasi kahit hawakan man kita hawakan, doon ka talaga, lalagpot ka doon. Doon ka talaga, lalagpot ka, doon ka magpunta. So, kung meron ka magustuhan, sabihin mo. Pero may asawa man yung babae. Pero palagi na lang silang nag-usap. Hindi nga ako nakipag-usap sa asawa niya. Paano lang ako? Sige, ano tayo, palitan. Ay, nako. Iba ako noon, guys. Tawagin ko lang at sisigawan ko na, punta ka na dito dong. Magkain na tayo dong. Hindi talaga kakain. Mag-away pala. So, noon, kausap niya doon. Hindi ko alam kung, ouch. Hindi ko alam. Bahala sila sa buhay nila. Ako, magluto ako para pakainin ko yung asawa ko. Yun lang yung ano ko. Kung babaero pa yung asawa ko, guys. Ano na ako, lokaret na ako ngayon. Kaso, alam ko talagang hindi yun babaero. Pero, ano pa rin ako, may pagdududa. Bakit palagi mo yung kausap dong, ha? Bakit? Pero alam ko talagang wala. Pero, yung utak natin, guys, parang may coronavirus. Tignan naman natin. Tignan natin ulit kung andun pa ba. Oh my God, andun pa rin sila. Andun pa rin sila. Bahala sila. Ay, nako. Wala akong pakialam na. Magluto na lang ako para makain ako. At saka kung gusto niya kakain kasama yung babae, gulang siya. Gulang. Guys. Alam nyo guys, kung anong mangyari guys, hindi naman ako mag-let go. Hindi ko kaya. Oh my God. Tanungin natin yan mamaya. Away-awayin natin guys. Magprito lang ako guys. Ito guys, lutuin natin to tilapia. Yun. Andito na si Tami. So ngayon, tatanungin natin siya at parang aawayin natin. I-prank natin, awayin.
What's it look for?
Huh?
I was trying to cut down some of that crap.
It's really alarming. You keep talking. You keep always go there to find her and talk to her.
Are you forgetting? Fine, they were both over there. Harold was just kneeling down picking the weeds.
Yeah.
What the hell is wrong with you? Really, seriously, huh?
You always talk to her.
You should be thinking while I was coming. Harold was down there pulling
Yeah,
weeds.
but I'm filming you, just the two of you over there.
And you didn't see Harold? You didn't keep
No.
seeing him standing up? Huh? Seriously? Yeah, you weren't paying much attention. Look at your camera again.
You like her.
Oh, there's something real serious here.
No, there's something serious with you. You go out over there and look for her.
I was cutting. Look at all the stuff. Look at all I cut.
You go over there, look over there.
No, I went from here. I went from where Harold did down all the way to the street.
Honey, it's okay.
No, hon. No, hon. There's something really wrong with you. Seriously. And you say, oh, you didn't see Harold there. And he was there, and I asked him.
Amoy na yan, enough. You won't blind woman.
Hon? We're going to take your temperature, see if there's something really wrong with you.
I've been filming you too, you.
Oh, the camera there. I can't see, it looks just like the rest of the dishes.
Okay, how's the food? How's the...
I haven't tried the fish yet, but this is good.
Even though it's blood looking, right? No color. Paper?
Oh, she also said, would you teach her how to cook bok choy?
Where's the poison ivy?
Everywhere.
I know, but why you're touching it?
I didn't know it was poison ivy.
Here, look, let me look.
I didn't know it was poison ivy. There's no leaves on it yet.
Oh, yeah.
Just
You know it's poison ivy.
It was just the vines.
Tell her I will make a tutorial in a different channel, not my life channel.
I can make it so your headache don't bother you so much. I just stamp on your toes.
What a nice cheater husband you are.
That's a nice thing to say.
You're gonna step on my toe. That's really nice, honey.
It's an old joke, hon. It's an old joke. Yeah. You want me to cure your headache so it don't hurt so much? Slam my toes. Your toe hurts so much you forget about your headache.
You become like your father. Your father always, you told me like that. Anyway guys, so tapos na kaming kumain. Tommy like my cooking. I hope he does. Not just joking. Anyway, so yun. And ngayon, I'm just going to sit down and edit the video. Even though I know I have a headache. Nilagay ko dyan guys yung ano ito siya. Kasi nakita ko yan, naalala ko, meron pa pala akong stand. So, nilagay ko siya dyan for now kasi. Also, yung mga tinatanim ko sa sapat na pang mga seedling ko, nilagay ko sa garage din. Ipakita ko sa inyo, ha. Nilagay ko sila sa garage. Si Tammy andun sa labas, nagtapo ng basura. Yan. Ito din, nilagyan ko siya ng tubig. Hindi pa siya tumutubo So, yun. Ito dito, parang nag-start na siyang tumubo. Look, nag-start. Ito, hindi ko alam. Parang wala pa. Pero guys, Tammy's arugula. Look at it. Han, you're arugula, Han. And over here, I don't know what in here. Ito guys, tingnan natin kung anong andito, It's lettuce. It's also started, look. Started na siya. Ang bahay is amoy tilapia. Yun yung pinaka dito sa bahay. Kapag may gagawin ka, yung tilapia, yung mga niluluto mo is amoy na amoy. Sobrang taas ng mga kalamay niya. And then, iwan ko, ganyan ba yan? Ganyan ba tutubo? Hindi man ganyan yung picture pag tumubo. So, anyway guys, i-end ko lang tong vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Nanonood kami ng, I don't know. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung pinapanood namin. Are you okay? What's happening? What's happening over there?
I got a bug on my back.
What is that, Baga? Baga. What are you doing in Dada's back? My God, this cat. Garbage bag is right there, hon. He over there, it's not in the bag anymore. The cellophane on top of everything. You're staring at it. There's a problem when you have a big nose. Yeah. Oh, not big nose, long nose. Sorry, hon. It's not insulting, but it's really...
Yes, it is.
It's not insulting, hon.
I'm looking for a box.
For us, it's not insulting. It's like, it's not, no, for us, it's not, hon. No. It's like compliment. Hon, it's a freaking compliment. I love you.
Where's the box? I know I brought a box here.
It's and that's outside in the garage. Bug, I mean.
Well, I didn't carry it. He jumped with that.
I'll jump in there.
It's
Spoiled man no. Spoiled. Okay, Han. We're gonna end the vlog, Han. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Hi, guys.
Look at the vlog.
Look at my abs. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.
Look at that eyes. Bye bye guys. See bye bye. Han. See good night. See you tomorrow.
Bye guys.
And how about you guys? See you night na? You see you night? Gonna go night. What is the night treaties? Not yet. Not yet. Okay guys, good night.
Wanna go here?
So come on.